Acelegin Pets a Cat, part 4 or 5?
It's 4. And this is Halo. What's his tragic backstory again?
Oh.
Coyote got into their little house and killed the mama and all of his brothers and sisters, and he had no skin on his tail.
Tried to drag him out and he fought it.
And he was 3 weeks old when I got him.
Thought it was 4 weeks.
But
Well,
Dan already had him.
Yeah, that's right. He was weaned. He was eaten out of a dish. Mashed up kitten food mixed with some kitten milk and rice cereal to give him strength.
His favorite place was in all the pillows on my bed, remember?
Mm-hmm.
He used to burrow up in there.
He made a little cave out of it. Well, apparently that mixture of kitten food worked because he's a big old boy now. When we got him, he wasn't even the size of his own head now. Fit in the palm of your hand.
He looked like a little Halo. That's where he got his name.
Little Halo Orange. Of course, we did spend, 2-3 months just calling him the baby?
Yeah.
I remember you called me in there one day, you and Papa, and you were like, what? Did we name the cat?
Yeah, I couldn't remember. What was that we named him?
Oh.
He's just now, the last couple of years, he's 5. Started to purr. He was so traumatized.
He never did.
And he only gets in your lap when he wants to, and will stay maybe 5 minutes.
He's a regular antisocial. If you move just wrong and he doesn't know you, he'll hiss.